So the next aspect of calculus or differential calculus we need to treat now is what? Is product rule. In the product rule of differentiation, so if we have y equal to the what? uv, derivative of y respect to x, it will be what? U the v the x plus v the u the what? The x. This is the what? The general formula for product rule. Take for instance, example 1. If y is equal to x cube minus 2 into bracket what? 4x squared plus 10. You are now asked to what? To find dy, the s of this expression. So, solution, we are given this. You will write the function x cube minus 2 into the what? 4x squared plus 10 exponential 0 plus 10, 4x squared plus 10. So, now as soon as what? From this function, you have u and v. You said you call everything you have here, call them u. Everything you have here, call them what? V. You now said we have what? What is my u? U is what? E to the power 3 minus 2. What is my v? V is what? 4x squared plus 10. Good. The next thing is what? Let us differentiate u respect to x. We have d what? Du, the what? The s give us what? 3x squared. Now differentiate v. By differentiating what? V, we have what? The v, the x should be what? 8x. Yeah, let us now apply the what? The product formula. We're saying that what? dy the x equal to what? U the v the s plus what? V du the x. What is our u? The y, the what? The x. What is our u here? Our u is what? S cube minus 2. What is the v dx? The v dx is what? Is 8x. Plus, what is v? V is what? 4 to the x squared plus 10. What is the u dx? The u dx is what? 3x squared. Simple. So if you like, you can what? You can expand. Or if you like, you can leave it in what? In this form. So this will be what? The final answer. But if you want to expand further, you will have dy dx equal to the what? 8x raised to the power 4 minus 2 times 8 is minus 16x plus 4 times this. Give us 12 raised to the power 4. Then we have what? 3. We have 30 square. We will now collect the what? The like times. We have dy the what? The x should give us what? By calling the like times here, 12 plus this, we have what we call what? 20x exponential 4. Plus 30x squared. And we have, yes, minus 16x. So if we expand this, we will arrive to what? Let's solve two or more questions on it again. Example 2. If y is equal to 2x exponential 3 plus 6x squared minus s plus 7 into bracket what? 3x squared plus 14. You are now asked what? Find the what? The y dx. You have to differentiate this expression. You know, it deals with what? The product of two functions. So in this case, we have what? Solution. We are given what? Y it should be what? 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus x plus 7 into what? 3x squared plus 1, 4. We will now call this one what? U. This one what? Call it what? V. So what is my U now? This is my U. This is my V. From here, my U is what? 2s cubed plus 6s squared minus x plus 7. My V is what? 3s squared plus 14. Now differentiate U. The U, the x, will give us what? This will give us 8x squared plus 12x. Sorry, 2 times 6 is 6. 6x squared, 12 minus 1. What will be the value of V? D what? The V, the x. So the next thing we now do now is what? Here is the formula. dy the x equal to the what? U, the V, the x plus V, the U, the what? The x. That's the product what? Formula. So what do we have now? We have dy, the s. What is my U? U is what? 2s cubed plus 6x squared minus s plus 7. The V dx is what? 6x plus what is V? V is what? 3x squared plus 14. 3x squared plus 14. Everything into what? The U ds. The U ds is what? 6x squared plus 12x minus 1. So do you be the final what? Answer. You like you can what? Expand. But let's solve more questions under this product what? If y go to the what? Square root of x into the what? X plus 1, everything exponential what? 2. Let me put 2 here. So to solve this kind of question, we have y equal to the what? Square root of what? Of x, 2x plus what? 1. Let's call this what? U. Let's call this what? V. So if we call this one U, we have U should be what? Root x is the same thing as what? X raised to the power what? 1 over what? 2. And if you call what? This V, we have 2x plus 1, everything what? Square. So next thing here is what? Find the u, the x, which is what? 1 over 2 x. Subtract minus 1 from here. We have what? Minus half. That's what? U. So let us find what? The v. What will be the v? The what? The x. You can see that what this thing is written as what? Chain rule. Chain rule. So you will now apply the short cut. What is the short cut now? Write the power, differentiate the what? The inside to give us what? 2. Write the what? The bracket 2 what? 2x plus 1. Reduce the power by 1. We have this. So the v, the x will be what? 4 into 2x plus what? Plus 1. This is the v, the x. This is what? The u, the what? The x. The next thing is what? Apply the formula. We have dy, the x is equal to the what? U, the v, the x plus v, the u, the x. So by applying this now, we have the y, the x is equal to the y. What is u? My u is what? Square root of what? Of x. What is the v dx? The v dx is what? 4 into what? 4 into brackets 2x plus 1, then plus v. What is v given here? My v is what? 2x plus 1, everything square. What is the u dx? The u dx is what? Is 1 over 2. You can call it 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over square root of what? Of x. So that's what we have here. Then let us continue our solving. We have dy, the x, 2 what? X plus what? Plus 1 into what? We are left with what? 4 with what? With x. Here. Then here we have square here to remain what? 1. Abi? Then we have plus. We now say what? Plus 1 over 2 root x bracket 2x plus 1. Or let me use for bracket here to do a bit what? The final answer for this question.